My first step with AC method is I have to take my A coefficient of 6, my C coefficient of 12, and multiply them together. So 6 times 12 is going to give me 72. Negative 17, my B coefficient goes on the bottom of my little organization chart here. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 72 and add to negative 17. So I'm thinking 9 times 8 would work very well. Yeah, so it would have to be a negative 9 and a negative 8. That way they add to negative 17, but a negative times a negative gives me a positive 72. So I'm going to rewrite negative 17x as negative 9x minus 8x, coming from this chart here. I'm going to bring down the 12. So I just brought that down from there. I'm going to bring down the 6x squared, and now I'm ready for my next step. For this step, I'm going to split this in half, and I'm going to factor each side separately. So here I can factor out a 3x, and I will be left with, well, 6x squared divided by 3x is going to be 2x. On this side, I will be left with a minus 3. I'm going to distribute just to make sure. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Good. On this side, I can factor out, it looks like a negative 4, which will leave me with x minus, 2x minus 3. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Good. And now I have a term on the left and a term on the right which share a common factor of 2x minus 3. So I'm going to factor that out right at once here. Once I've factored that out, I will be left with a 3x minus 4. And there are the factors.